Hey Billy, your grandma's here.
Fuck my grandma!
I'm sorry, Billy.
Fuck!
Who's there?
Nobody, fuck off!
Toss me my keys. I said my keys.
I thought you said printer.
Why the fuck would I say printer?
And then it'll fly up in just a second. See? And then
Why is there a report card on the ceiling?
You said bring my grades up. I did say that. Let me see.
Hell yeah! I have the power of God!
No off-topic questions. Because I don't want to. No, permission denied. That's an off-topic question. Next, you have been stopped.
Yeah, can I get a number 3 with a large?
I guess you wonder where I've been.
Never mind, I'm broke. You better be.
saw you hanging out with Caitlin yesterday.
Rebecca, it's not what you think.
I won't hesitate, bitch. Be like, it's not the airplane, it's just the spoon.
Toss me my keys. Send my keys.
I thought you said Christmas tree.
Why the fuck would I say Christmas tree?
Let me hop out the Porsche, I don't wanna hit that.
Shut the up.
Every time you yell at your kids, put a quarter in your no yelling sock and soon you'll have a weapon to beat.
I don't need friends, they disappoint me.
My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
I'm so tired of being here.
Dude, she's not just my girlfriend. Alright, she's my best friend.
Oh my.
I should have left you on that street corner where you were standing. But you didn't!
Moment when you enter a room and forget why you went in there.
What you said?
Oh, that's right, I was getting chased by a serial killer.
Candle agreements, crystal panty, little bands, the potential candy. Santa deceased, so central and free from a land to Japan with this romance. If you can't dance and if you can't sing, put your hands in the air about your dancing. Santa the beat.
Can I get a waffle? Can I please get a waffle?
Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. Now, you might have thought there were 2 different people talking, but actually, it's me again. Movie Magic.
Throw down the keys. I said keys.
I thought you said copy machine. What the fuck would I say copy machine?
Good credit, bad credit, no problem. Or you dead? Fuck it, ghost credit. I'm gonna get a Subaru.
Give me your fucking money.
Well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions. What's up? What's up? Trino.
Harry, what's for din din? Boiled yams, Justin. I want cupcakes.
How are you doing tonight?
I wanna fucking die.
Same.
Mom, it doesn't hurt that much. It's a BB gun, for real. Mom, can we talk?
Hello, Sarah.
Hi, Tiffany. Those shoes look familiar.
I need pills! I drink to forget, but I always remember. No running, you piece of shit!
People say I can't do what I love without college. I don't need a degree to be a clothing hanger. I'm you from the future. Yeah, obviously, bitch. I don't remember acting like that.
Happy birthday, bitch!
So you just gonna bring me a birthday gift on my birthday to my birthday party on my birthday with a birthday gift?
Happy birthday?
Bitch.
My Uncle Kagi once said, with great power comes great big booty bitches.
Go, Pikachu. Come out. I'm gay.
My sisters always ask me, are you really a virgin? And I say, that's none of your business.
I'm nuts about these nuts, but I'm also nuts about my close good friends. My close good friend. I'm telling you, this is my place. So who's that? Who? Crap. I'm giving you 3 seconds to get this crap off of my floor.
Don't fuck with me! I have the power of God and anime on my side!
Wait, toss me my keys. I said my keys!
I thought you said Link!
I would never say that! Why would you think I would say that? Jesus!